I can't figure out how to edit my hair video because I have a Windows computer. So, new goal, monetize this channel so I can afford real editing software. So, I have like 20 minutes to do this. I'm going to skip a bunch of stuff that you already have seen. I have an eyebrow tutorial I will link in the description, and this is the foundation I use. Okay, so I already have my eyebrows done and my, I guess, eyeshadow base. It's not really a base, whatever. You've seen it before. So now we're going to be doing this look. I have no clue how this is going to turn out because I have, like, again, like 20 minutes to do this. So we're going to take, I'm using a vida loca palette. We're going to take Stutter and Noble, as always, in the crease. And that's about all we're going to do. Now we're going to take, do I want something bright? Yeah. Lyric on the concealer brush in the center of the lid. Now we're going to pop into the yellow, and it's going to be really, really yellow. So first, you're going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Okay, it's not that big of an area. Just inner corner and slightly into the lid. I'm going to bring it down pretty far though. And I'm just going to blend it with my finger a little bit. Now we're going to take my personal favorite brush, and we're going to take Fran, the yellow shade from this palette. All the shades will be in the description in case you forget, since I'm not showing them. But usually I actually lift up the palette and show them. And we're just going to pack it in there. Not really blending too much, to be honest. In 2019, we're doing dewy looks. Now we're going to take the small smudge brush, and we're going to take Legend, which is a shimmery yellow. We're going to put it over top. Just on your corner. And blend it up. Can you even really see that? Okay, yeah, there you go. Like matte. Matte. So yeah, that's done. I'm going to do my face and my lashes off camera, and I will be back. We got lashes, we got foundation. Oh, I suppose yeah, whatever. Well, they're eyelure lashes. They're great. I love them. Anyway, back to the eyes. We're gonna take. Let's go with the small blending brush, and we're gonna take Vox, and that way it'll blend out a lot better. Like, I want to have something under my eyes, but not too dark, you know. And then we're going to blend it even more with the regular crease brush. And then we're going to take the e.l.f. Volume Plumping Mascara, as always. Now we're going to take the Interstellar palette and the Sculpting Face brush, and we're going to contour, but very lightly, because again, this is a dewy look today. I think this look has eyeliner. Yep, so we're gonna do eyeliner, e.l.f. liquid liner. It's a really short wing. I'm gonna do the usual though, that I stole from somebody on Instagram. Okay. And of course, my little doodles. Perfect. Now we're going to take the Modern Renaissance palette and Vermeer to highlight. I love it so much. Might be my new favorite highlight. Then we're going to take Kat Von D Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick. I can't tell if it's because of her skin tone, but from the photo I'm copying, the model's lipstick almost looks gray. Grayish. That's such a dumb word, but whatever. So while that's still wet, I'm going to take Dagger, I think, could be wrong, one of these two gray ones. Alright, my iPad said it had no storage, which is a load of horse shit, so it fixed my hair. Last step, NYX Clear Gloss. It's really fucking glittery. Oh, I finally figured it out. Facebook took up like 3 gigs. I don't know why. Anyway, so this is the last thing I used, and I fixed my hair. I got more extensions. They're longer now. It's great. I'm happy. So this is the finished look. I don't know. I kind of like it. I kind of like this dewy thing. Normally I'm like super matte all the time, except for my nose. But yeah. Once again, I'm sorry that I couldn't upload the hair video, but yeah, short version is a lot of ion color and I missed a spot. That's pretty much it, and I did it at like 4 in the morning. If you like this video, subscribe. I post every Tuesday and every Saturday. Sorry this one's kind of late, but it's still Saturday. Where I live, it's still going up on time. If you want to support me in other ways, my social media is in the description. The link to the books I am featured in is in the description. Check those out. I get $4 for every book you buy, even if it's not the ones I'm in. And yeah, make sure you turn on your notifications, all that crap. I will be back on Tuesday. I have no clue what video I'm doing, so comment suggestions.